Hey everyone, if you want the latest features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and cloud provider compatibility updates, keeping Rclone up to date is important. In this video, I'll show you how to update Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, check your current Rclone version. Open a terminal, command prompt, PowerShell window, or your preferred command line environment and verify which version is currently installed. Knowing your current version makes it easier to confirm that the update was successful later. Official installation script or your distribution's package manager. After the update process is complete, open a terminal window and verify the installed version again. Confirm that the displayed version matches the latest release you intended to install. Finally, make updating part of your regular maintenance routine so you can benefit from the latest improvements while reducing the risk of compatibility issues. And that's how to update Rclone in 2026. With a simple update process and proper testing afterward, you can keep your cloud storage workflows secure, reliable, and fully compatible with the latest services. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.